Another day, another story. Welcome to our YouTube video where we will be discussing the latest developments in the world of AI chatbots. Today, we'll be focusing on two prominent chatbot tools, Google Bard and ChatGPT, and comparing their features and functionalities. Let's begin with Google Bard, the latest chatbot tool to enter the market. Google Bard uses natural language models and machine learning to simulate human-like conversations, making it a promising tool for smaller companies who want to offer natural language support to their customers without hiring large teams of support staff. It has the potential to use up-to-date information for its responses, giving it an edge over ChatGPT, which is based on data collected up until 2021. However, Google Bard's debut was less than ideal. During its preview demonstration, it made a mistake in answering a question about the James Webb Space Telescope's recent discoveries. This error caused heavy criticism of the tool and drew comparisons to ChatGPT's weaknesses, which had been previously highlighted. As a result, Google's stock price fell several points. On the other hand, ChatGPT has been around for a while now and has been widely used in various applications. It is entirely based on data collected up until 2021, which means that it may not always have access to the latest information. However, ChatGPT has a major focus on conversational questions and answers, making it ideal for use in Bing search results, which require more conversational searches. But what makes ChatGPT stand out is its impressive language processing capabilities. It can understand the context and intent behind a user's query and provide relevant and accurate information. This has made it a popular tool in the tech industry, and Microsoft has even integrated it into Bing search. So, which chatbot tool is better? Well, it's hard to say at this point. Both Google Bard and ChatGPT have their strengths and weaknesses, and it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and specific use cases. However, one thing is clear: the competition between tech giants to create the best AI conversationalist is heating up. As we move forward, we can expect more and more companies to develop their own chatbot tools using natural language models and machine learning. These tools have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other, and we are excited to see what the future holds. Thank you for watching our YouTube video on Google Bard and ChatGPT. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.